Find the coefficient of x to the power 5 in the product of 1 plus 2x whole to the power 6 into 1 minus x whole to the power 7 using binomial theorem. Now firstly we expand 1 plus 2x whole to the power 6, which is 1 plus nc 6c1 into 2x 6c2 into 2x square 6c3 2x cube Now expansion of 1 minus x whole to the power 7 is equal 1 plus 7c1 minus x 7c2 minus x square 7c3 minus x cube 7c4 minus x whole to the power 4 7c5 minus x whole to the power 5 7c6 7c7. Now in order to find the coefficient of x to the power in the product of both these terms, then firstly we multiply these two terms, means product of 1 plus 2x into 1 minus equal RHS of equation 1 into RHS of equation 2. Now we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 5. In 1 plus 2x whole to the power 6, 1 minus x whole to the power 7, then coefficient of x to the power 5 is obtained when we have to find the coefficient of x to the power in the product of both these terms, means x to the power 5 is obtained when 1 is multiplied by this term. 1 is multiplied by this term, then we get x to the power 5, means coefficient of x to the power 5 is 1 into 7c5 negative sign. Again, when x is multiplied by 4, then we get x to the power 5. When x is multiplied by this term, means x to the power 1 into x to the power 4, then we get x to the power 5. Then second coefficient is 6c1 into minus 1 to the power 4, means positive 7c4. Now when x square is multiplied by x to the power 3, we get x to the power 5. X square, x cube, x to the power 5. Then third coefficient is 6c2. Sorry, it is 6c1 into 2. 6c1 into 2. 6c2 into 2 square. When it multiplied by this term, we get 7c3 into -1. When x cube is multiplied by x square, we get x to the power 5. Then coefficient is 6c3 into 8, 6c3 into 8, and when this term is multiplied by this term, we get 7c2. Now when x to the power 4 is multiplied by this term, we get coefficient of x to the power 5 is 6c4 into 16. X to the power 4 into x means x to the power 5, then 6c4, 2 to the power 4 means 16 into 7c1 minus 1. And when this term x to the power 5 is multiplied by 1, we have x to the power 5 coefficient is 6c5 32. On solving it, we get the required result, which is 171. It is answer.